In this video, we will learn how to number format in pivot table in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some data. First, use pivot table. Select your table, Control plus A. Then click on the insert, click on the pivot. Click on the from table. I'm using here the existing worksheet. Get the locations here, select the cell and click on OK. Now create your pivot table. Just enter the salesperson, hours and total pay. Okay, then you can see here I want to change the hours in sum. So select the initial and right click of the mouse. Here you can see the value field setting. Just click on that. In value field setting, select the sum, and here you can change the name also. Total hour works. Then click on the number format and click on the time. For some, we are going to some hours, so don't use the PM AM, use these types of the time. Okay, so I just select this one and click on OK, then click on OK again. That's it. Here you can see the number format is changed. Again, for total pay, right click of the mouse, click on the value field setting. Here you select the sum and enter here total pay. Number format, click on the currency and decimal and click on OK. Then click on OK here. That's it. Here you can see the currency also change. If you want to change this rupees sign, if you want to total pay in dollar amount, you can change it. Just right click of the mouse, click on the value field setting and click again in number formats. Here you can see the symbols. You can get your symbol as per your requirement. I just taken the dollar amount of Australia. So just click on OK. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.